Back to online classes of Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School. Students, today we will do class 1 EVS and the chapter number 22. Title of chapter is Our Earth. Our Earth. Where do we live? We live on the earth. In this chapter we will study about the earth. We live on the earth. We live on the earth and it is a round like a huge ball. Its shape is, students, round. The earth is round in the shape like a huge ball. It has two parts, land and water, and earth has two parts, land and water. Land and water. Land color we found on the globe brown, and the water color on the globe we can found blue. This is a globe and it is a model of our earth. Student, this is a globe. What is a globe? Globe is a model of earth is called the globe, and the blue part show water in the globe. Blue part shows the water, and the brown part shows the land. Brown part shows the land. Water covers most of the earth. Do you know, students, our mostly part of earth is covered by the water. It can be seen. Where you can see the water? It can be seen in the seas, rivers, lakes and the ponds. We can see in the seas, river, lakes and the ponds. Land covers only a small part of the earth. Students, mostly part is covered with water and the small part is covered with the land. We make houses on the land. What do we use of land? How do we use of land? We make houses on land and we live in the houses, and we grow food grains, students. We food grains, fruits and the vegetables we grow on the land. These are the important uses of the land. And we drive cars, cycle, train, buses on land. Okay, we also drive cars, cycle, train, buses on the land to move from one place to another. So students, land is not smooth everywhere. At some places it is flat, at some places it is a high. You have to keep in mind that, but land is not smooth everywhere. Some places it is a very flat, and but there are some places also where their land is high. It is the high, not smooth, it is the high. So flat and even part of the earth is called a plain. So students, a very smooth and the flat part of earth is called a plain, and most of the people live on the plains, and mostly people live on the plains. You can see in the picture, it's an example of a plain. Spelling of PLAIN. Next is hills. What are the hills? The high part of land is called a hill. The high part of land is called hill. Apple, cherries, plums and peaches are grown on the hills, and on the hills, what are fruits grown there? Apples, cherries, plums and the peaches you can find on the hills. Some hills are very high, they are called the mountains. There are some hills also which are very high and we call it mountains. The top of mountains are covered with the snow, and the top of their mountains, these are covered with the snow. Do you know the snow on the mountains melts to form the rivers? Rivers flow down the mountains, they flow through the plains and fall into the sea. Students, do you know the snow on the mountains melts, and when they melt, then they becomes a river, then they form the rivers. The lowland between two hills or mountain is called a valley. Okay, the lowland between the two hills or mountains is called a student's valley, and it looks beautiful with colorful. It looks beautiful with colorful flowers and green plants. Many people live in the valleys. In the valleys there lives so many peoples, and it has so many in the valley beautiful flowers, and it is a lowland between the two hills and the mountain. It's time to do practice exercise section A. Tick the correct answers. The shape of our earth is, the shape of our earth is, students, round, rectangle, square. Round. The shape of our earth is round. Flat land is called mountain, hill or plain. Plain. Match correctly. Blue, water, and brown is land. Mountains, high hills. Now tick the correct answers. The blue part on the globe shows land, mountain and water. Blue part on the globe shows water. And the high part of land, hill. Fill in the blanks with the words given below. A dash is a model of our globe. Most of the people live on the plains. Pick the statements that help to keep our earth beautiful. Students, plant more trees. Yes, we should plant more trees. Throw garbage on the road? No, we should not throw garbage on the road. We must clean our earth. Use plastic bags? No. Try to make less use of cars? Yes, we should try to make use less of cars. It's time to learn the difficult words. Land, L-A-N-D, water, W-A-T-E-R, water. Huge, H-U-G-E, globe, G-L-O-B-E, brown, B-R-O-W-N, pond, P-O-N-D, food grain, F-O-O-D-G-R-A-I-N, food grain, vegetables, V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S, smooth, S-M-O-O-T-H, plain, P-L-A-I-N, apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple. Next word, mountain, M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N, cherry, C-H-E-R-R-I-E-S, plums, P-L-U-M-S, snow, S-N-O-W, valley, V-A-L-L-E-Y, beautiful, B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, colorful, C-O-L-O-U-R-F-U-L, flowers, F-L-O-W-E-R-S, green, G-R-E-E-N, green, plants, P-L-A-N-T-S, and high, H-I-G-H, high. Now we will do question answer related to this chapter. What is a globe? A model of earth is called a globe. Model of earth is called globe. What is the earth made up of? The earth is made up of land and water. What is the name of our planet? Yes, the name of our planet is Earth. Name the highest mountain on the earth, student. Mount Everest is the highest mountain on the earth. M-O-U-N-T and E-V-E-R-E-S-T. What do we grow on the land? What do we grow on the land? We grow food grains. We grow food grains, fruits and vegetables on land. So students, today's your work is to revise this chapter with the help of video. See you again in next video. Bye bye.